Okay. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use silent commands. So I'm just going to join a random game. Yes, I have owner in this game. So I'm just going to show you in this game. And someone also draw. Okay. So we're going to fly. We're going to put on. We're going to go up here. Hold on, let me add in this file. Okay, so first you need to have your prefix. If you don't know what a prefix is, it's not like the kind of prefix you use in school, like re, un, or whatever, blah blah blah. So you need your prefix first. Oh my god, hi. Okay, so first you need your prefix first. If you don't know what a prefix is like like this or this or this or this or maybe this, this, this. It's like you know what? It's like symbols. The prefixes are like symbols in word search. If you don't know what symbols in word search means, it means like a prefix. It means like a prefix, but it's a symbol. Like, for an example, this. Okay, so here's how to do it. So you go /E. So in your insert or type box, you type in /E, and then you put your prefix. Mine's is .. And then there you go. And you see it doesn't pop up because it's /E. Everything that's /E and you put like a symbol. Look, for an example, /E this. /E will make something silent. /E makes stuff silent. Okay, so now that you guys know what to do, I'll show you myself what I /E comments. See? It doesn't show up. So we can put like /E .. and it's 1. And nothing pops up. Let's see .. Look / commands, and it shows up. But /E .. commands won't show up because /E. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy, and peace.